How to turn off calls on other devices on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. On this page, scroll down to the Calls sections and tap on Calls on other devices. Over here, turn off the Allow Calls on Other Devices feature. You can no longer use your iPhone mobile account to make and receive calls on devices signed into your iCloud account when they are nearby and on Wi-Fi. Following these steps, you can easily turn off calls on other devices on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.